the Nizam estate people were called in assembly in hall number 2, and they were asked whether a compensation was given. If it was given, the government treasury has to release an amount. Where is the challan receipt? Where is the check number? The government then failed to produce any evidence with which they could prove that they have made a compensation amount to Nizam Trust, who was not the owner. Sir, then I still say that Rajshekhar Reddy was a very great leader. He called me and he said, Akbar, you're right. Sir, I said, sir, what land has been allotted? Okay, sir. But what land, if I have to go by with what the government officials, revenue officials are saying, a compensation was paid and few chunk of the land was not acquired. Where is that land? Sir, you would be surprised, sir. दरगाह बाबा शरफुद्दीन साहब बोल के नाम लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन दरगाह और हजरत की जहां पे खबर है, उनकी जहां पे मजार है, where he is resting, that was also not there in the Waqf record. Rajshekhar Reddy called and he said, Dargah is not there. Include that. Okay, fine. Let us fight this. Where the land belongs to the Nizam Trust or the government or the Waqf board. But still, what extent of land was acquired, after that the remaining land should be with the Waqf board. And it was then Rajshekhar Reddy Sahib in this house, he stood there and he said, Akbar, you're right. 80 acres has to be given to Dargah because this was not acquired, and he issued a GON order and informed in this house, and he said, we are releasing the 80 acres of the land of Baba Sharafuddin to Waqf board, sir. We got that land. So today what is happening? That land is also getting encroached. 50 acres of land is there, sir. And another 50 acres of land is there at Outer Ring Road. Then, sir, the land was not available. Rajshekhar Reddy Sahib said, Akbar, land is not available near the Dargah. Can I give it elsewhere? I said, sir, wherever you want, you give. So he gave another 50 acres elsewhere, sir. And it was then the Anisul Gurba also was transferred from Endowment Department to Waqf Board, sir. Sir, now what I want to bring to your kind notice and inform this house and my learned friend from Congress and the Revenue Minister Sahib is that always the injustice has been done to Muslims and in particular to the Waqf land, sir. I hope that at least now we will get some justice. We will get some justice, sir. So successive government have been enacting many legislations, as I have just said in the beginning of my speech, in last 75 years to take over the surplus lands of landholders. A year after police section right from 1948, erstwhile Hyderabad government enacted Jagir Abolition Act in September 1949, whereby the Jagirs of 975 Jagirs, mostly belonging to Muslim community, were abolished and taken over by the government, sir. And the Jagirdars, sir, they were given an amount of 12 crores, sir. Similarly, Inam Abolition Act, sir, was enacted in 1955, thereby disposing thousands of Inamdars, again mostly belonging to Muslim community of the lands. In all, 12 lakh acres, sir. Not a small number, sir. मैंने अपनी तकरीर के इब्तिदा में कहा कि इनाम एबॉलिशन एक्ट, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब, आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि 12 lakh acres of Inam was taken over, sir. 12 lakh acres, sir. 12 lakh acres, sir, were taken over by the government. A further blow was dealt to urban landowners, mostly Muslims in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, with the enactment of Urban Land Ceiling Act in 1976, sir, under which 3,132 hectares of land was taken over by the government. 3,132 hectares, sir, hectares. So you can imagine 12 lakhs lost in Inam Abolition Act, 3,000 change in Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, the erstwhile Prince of Hyderabad, late Mukram Jah, lost hundreds of acres, sir, of land. The government took over about 300 acres of Chiran Palace lands under the Urban Ceiling Act by paying a very small compensation to the Nizam, sir. Sir, I remember, sir, then Rajshekhar Reddy Sahib had auctioned the land, sir. Rajshekar Reddy Sahab had auctioned. Bhatti Sahab was there. Ek land, Chiran Palace, which is Kasu Burman Reddy, we had auctioned. Sir, 1 acre was auctioned for 50 crores of rupees then. 50 crores then, sir, near the Jubilee Hills checkpost. Now, lovely, beautiful residential apartments are coming up there. Then also, me and my party, we had opposed it, sir. But nobody listened, sir. The green belt. तो मैं बताना यह चाहता हूं कि कोई भी दूध के धुले नहीं है, सर. Whether it is Congress, whether it is TDP, whether it is BRS, जैसे जैसे जब जो भी फायदा और चुमटियां लेना था, लेते रहे, sir. So similarly, the ex-Nizam has disposed of several hundred acres of land adjoining to Falaknuma and other places worth crores of rupees, sir. The fact is that many other landowners got scot-free or managed to sell off their lands for huge amount bypassing the Sealing Act, sir. Sir, when I say this, I would like to also come on record. If I am wrong, I should be corrected, sir. Sir, it is the MIM. My friends from Congress keep asking us, okay, you were friends with BRS, what have you done? Let me come on record and say that if I am wrong. The Revenue Secretary is also there in the box. He should correct me if I am wrong, sir. In last 10 years, sir, last 10 years, on the representation of MIM, on the representation of MIM and on the representation of me, when I stood here and I used to speak, where I would say that Muslims are not having land for burial, sir. The BRS government has given more than 400 acres across the state of Telangana for Muslim burial, sir. If I am wrong, I should be corrected, sir. Sir, I had then also asked and said that in Hyderabad city we do not have burial grounds for Muslims. I would like to come on record and say that Fakir Mullah Dargah, I had then represented to the then Minister K.T. Rama Rao Saab, and he spoke and he gave 50 acres of land for the burial of Muslims, sir. Hyderabad mein Fakir Mullah ki waqf ki zameen hai. Government is saying it's their land. Waqf board is saying it's our land. So I told K.T. Rama Rao Saab and KCR Saab then, कि साहब ये दोनों लड़ रहे हैं, जिसके भी हक में फैसला आएगा ये 50 एकड़ तो दे दीजिए. 50 acres was given, sir. In COVID, that was the place where we used to take the dead bodies of the COVID patients and we used to bury them there, sir. And what a time it was. What a time it was, sir. Nobody was wanting to dig the graves. Nobody was wanting to touch the one who has died because of coronavirus. Sir, it was me, my party, my trust, sir, where we used to dig the grave. हम जमीन खोदते थे, खबर खोदते थे, मैयत को हम नहलाते थे, कफन पहनाते थे और वहां पे तदफीन करते थे. तो कोविड के दौर में 200 से ज्यादा लोगों की तदफीन शहर के हमने वहां की, जिसके लिए मैं बीआरएस का केटी रामाराव साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं. Sir, and this doesn't end here. If I am wrong, it should be corrected by the Revenue Secretary, and he should say that, no, Mr. Owaisi, you're saying wrong. Not only this, sir. Sir, I would like to also bring to the kind notice of the government, sir, on the representation of MIM. Sir, we said कि हैदराबाद में सुन्नी है, शिया है, मैदवी है, बोहरे है और सारे सेक्ट के लोग हैं, sir. So at that time, sir, on our representation, Honorable the then Chief Minister, sir, he had given 125 acres, sir. 125 acres, sir. Abdullah Purmet, survey number 233, 20 acres. Tala Kondapalli, 42 acres. Kundur, 10 acres, sir. 72.22. Medchal, sir, 35 acres, sir. Shamirpet, 16 acres. And then again total this was 52 acres, sir. Or sir, I have also the details, sir. If one is going to dispute with me, sir, just for the graveyards and Shadi Khana, sir, on MIM's representation, sir, Adilabad mein we had given, sir. In the village, Yalandu, sir. And Bhadadri, sir, Kuttagudam, land was given. Hanumankunda, Hyderabad, Jagtial, Jangaon, Jaishankar Bopalli, Jogulamba, Gadwal, Kamareddy, Karimnagar. Sir, I have all the details, sir. If I am wrong, I have this, sir. तो ये पूरे जमीनात खबरस्तानों के लिए दिए गए. Honorable Speaker, sir, in spite of this land being given, 125 acres, and this land was handed over to Waqf Board, मैं आपके जरिए रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर से और कांग्रेस की हुकूमत से दरखास्त करता हूं कि सर जियो हो गया, लैंड भी दे दिए, वक्फ बोर्ड के पास है, इसमें डिसीजन भी ले लिया गया कि कितना सुन्नी को देंगे, कितना शिया को देंगे, कितना मेहदवी को देंगे, कितना इस्माइली बोहरास को देंगे, सब हो गया है. काइंडली आप वो जमीन कमेटीज बनाकर दे दीजिए जिसके साथ वहां पे तदफीन का आगाज हो जाएगा. और कमेटी अगर बनाएंगे तो दैट कमेटी कैन प्रोटेक्ट द लैंड विच हैज बीन अलॉटेड. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम रिक्वेस्ट, इन लास्ट 10 years more than 400 acres were given for shadi khanas and Muslim graveyards. Please find out how those lands are. I would request my friends from Congress also. I have the copy of the GO. I can just give it to the Honorable Speaker. He can give it to all of you all. Okay, where all the land has been allotted. We can protect that land. We can make some shadi khanas. We can give for the burial. Sir, we have been successful, sir. So while the member of largest minority community in the state have been deprived and disposed of their land holdings through the abolition of Jagir, Zamindar, Inam, Enact and Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, I have the list, sir. Sir, I have the list of all the details, sir, of the Waqf land, sir. Sir, Baba Sharfuddin Saab Pahadi, sir, 2001-31, sir. Shah Raja Hussain Khattali, Rahmatullah alayh, 580 acres. Muslim maternity, Jamaat-e-Islami, 450 acres, sir. Ashur Khan Ali Saad Maheshwaram, 490 acres. Jami Nizamiya Sri Lingampalli, sir, 500 acres. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Manikunda Jagir, 1,900. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Guntapalli village, 1,400 acres, sir. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Raidurg, sir, again 38 acres, sir. Sir, Narsapur Mandal Medak, 100 acres, sir. Medak का जितना टाउन है वो सारा का सारा इज वक्फ, सर. फुल मेदक टाउन, सर. बट वेयर, सर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि जो बना हुआ है उसको तोड़ दो. नो सर, एटलीस्ट उनको किराएदार बना दो वक्फ बोर्ड के. मैं यही कह रहा हूं, वक्फ बोर्ड को कुछ पैसा आएगा, लेकिन वो भी नहीं होता. सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आपको मालूम होगा सर, आलूर विलेज 1,200 acres, sir. 1,200, sir. Sir, I remember, sir, Rashekar Reddy Sahab had called me and he said, Akbar, let us do something about this Alur, sir. The then minister, Mr. Shabir Ali Sahab, was also there. So we were discussing whether we get we have a university there or we can have some development work there, sir. What is happening, sir? That 1,200 acres in Alur is also getting encroached, sir. And one fine day we are going to lose that land also, sir. Qutub Shahi Mosque graveyard, sir, situated at this women's college, Narayangoda, sir, 3,735 square yards, sir. Masjid Khushi Jai, Bazarghat, Gun Foundry, Chanchalgoda Jail, 30 acres, sir.